Welcome to Phuchada Safari ATV Company. How to enjoy with the ATV and buggy today I want to talk show for you. Welcome to Phuchada Safari customer service. We are opening every day morning 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Our company ATVs enjoy with natural jungle, King Kong Market, ravine views and dragon views, and then Nui Beach. So anytime, any weather, we can serve it for especially our customer. Our company ATV is dry up on the mountain, natural jungle roads, and relax on the mountain views. Depends on time you booking, our company can serve it for you. For ATV is 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, and 2 hours. For the buggy is 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 1 hour only we can serve it for the buggy. Thank you so much. Our company car is not for race, just for enjoying inside the jungle only. If you like a special private beach, we can bring for you to the Nui Beach and you can relax over there and take picture and swimming, and you can enjoy with the restaurant also. Welcome to Phuchada Safari Company. You arrive into the Phuket vacation. Any tour shop you can booking. Our company bus will pick up you and send you back to the hotel for free. Thank you so much for you enjoying with us. Welcome to Phuchada Safari.